In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Instagram profile QR code on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is find your Instagram profile. So for example, if I'm just going to use this one here, so I'm going to copy this profile URL, and now from here, I'm going to go open a new tab. And now I'm going to come to this site here called QR code generator. You can check out other ones on Google, but this one here is the one I like to use because it's completely free. All right, so from here where it says enter your website text or drop a file, paste in that profile. So I'm just going to copy this one here, paste this like so. And now on the right hand side, we've got a QR code, and we can change that QR code if we like to anything along the lines here. We can change the shape and color and all that. And then from here, we can download that QR code. We can print that QR code, share it with your friends and family, and to test it out, scan that code with your mobile device and you'll see that it is working.